Okay, there's an application you need to install before we start this process, and that is Microsoft Word. I have it here. So in your own case, get to your App Store. As the App Store opens, tap inside the search and then search for Microsoft Word or just Word, okay? You can see that Microsoft Word. So here I have already installed it. So if you have not installed yours, please do install it. All right. So I will tap on open for it to open. All right, as the app opens, you can see some tabs at the bottom. You have home, you have the plus sign, and we have folder. All right, so we are going to tap on this folder icon, which is at the bottom right. Okay, so this will allow us to pick some documents we have already saved on our phone. All right, so in this case, I saved my Word document on my iPhone location. So tap on my iPhone. All right, so this shows me some documents I have here. All right, so it's left for you to navigate to the documents you want to convert to PDF. Okay, so I'm going to choose one from here. Or if you have some folders you created already before now, you can get to those folders you created already, one of them, and pick the file from there. Okay, so in this case, let me work with the file I named Tech Tips Rod. All right, so I'll tap on it. All right, as the file opens, you can tap on the edit icon, which is the pen-like icon at the top. Okay, then the next step you need to take is to tap on the three dots at the top right. Then scroll down, then select export. Then you can see some options: open document text, that's ODT, and PDF. So select PDF. Okay, so this has shown up here with the initial name assigned to it. So it's left for you to choose the location. So tap on my iPhone. Okay, then give this name a new name, or you can leave it the way it is. But here I want to change it so that there will be difference. So I'll call this Tech Tips Word PDF. All right, so PDF, so that there'll be difference between the Word version and the PDF version. So I'll tap on export. Okay, so tap on done. All right, so this file has been exported. So let's get to the files application to see if we can get to it. So I'll get to files, then on my iPhone. So here, let's search for the file. We call it Tech Tips Word PDF. All right, Tech Tips Word. You can see it here, Tech Tips Word PDF. All right, so if you want to make sure or confirm that this is really in PDF format, just press on the file and select Get Info. As you can see, this is in PDF format. You can see the kind section, kind PDF document. All right, so this is how you convert Word document to PDF on iPhone in easy steps for free without paying anything.